Hello everyone, this is Gay and welcome to ATKC Home Improvement Show. Today, I'm going to show you this. Wow, look at this. This is Bostik barrel gun. Indeed very solid, and I love the blue color. So basically, Bostik barrel gun is a multifunction, heavy-duty application sealant gun that is specially designed for sealant or adhesive with cartridge or sausage packaging. Okay, this one is the cartridge type, and this one is the sausage packaging. Let's talk about the key features of using Bostik multifunction barrel gun. Number 1, allow precise extrusion of cartridge and sausage onto surface. Number 2, compatible with all range of adhesive, silicone sealants and fillers in cartridge packaging. And number 3, made for high frequency usage. Super heavy duty. Bostik multifunction barrel gun is made of aluminium alloy and casting steel. For example, this is the aluminium barrel with a length of 383 mm, inner diameter of 51 mm and thickness 1.2 mm. The rest of the parts I will explain later in the video. Let me show you how to use Bostik multifunctional barrel gun for adhesive, sealants and fillers in sausage packaging. To begin, first remove the quick release cap, this one. This is the plastic nozzle. Next, remove the barrel. This is the push rod and this is the pressure plate. Can you see it? Okay, this one is the plastic sheet. For your information, this plastic sheet is very important when you are using the Bostik multifunction barrel gun for sausage packaging. Next, reinstall back the barrel. Now, this is the release plate. So press on the release plate and pull the push rod. Maximum. Alright. Now insert the sausage right till the end and put back the quick release cap. So this is your handle and this is the trigger. Press the trigger slowly until you can feel the existence of the sausage. So next, what you should do is that cut the nozzle and you are ready to apply the sausage packaging. Got it? Next, let me show you how to apply adhesive, sealants and fillers in cartridge packaging by using Bostik multifunction barrel gun with just a small little tweak. First, open the quick release cap and the barrel. Can you see this part? Our objective is to remove the plastic sheet. Loosen the nut. Remove the plastic sheet. This is the pressure plate. Move up the existing nut. And reinstall the other nut. We are done here. Install the barrel. Press the release plate and pull the push rod. This is the cartridge packaging. Now you can insert it. And also the quick release cap. hold your handle and press the trigger. We are almost there. Now we are ready to use Bostik multifunctional barrel gun for cartridge type application. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope that all of you understand the convenience of using Bostik multifunction barrel gun for two applications, sausage and cartridge packaging. All this with just a simple tweak by using this plastic sheet. This is called Gay, and I'll see you in my upcoming ATKC Home Improvement show. Bye bye for now.